You know, you came here for consciousness work. But you may think that's all you came here for. It's not. To me, it's not. My job was to try to instill in you some principles and understanding that you could take out into the world independent of the consciousness work that would serve you, make you more effective, more powerful, clearer, that kind of shit, healthier. See, so not you are the one that's going to decide. I'm not going to. You know my stance on it. But when you go out, you decide what to do, what to take on, what not to take on. You know, I've studied with teachers before, and you know, a lot of martial, some consciousness, and blah, zoom, zippy dap, right? And I've listened to people. See, but that's always outside you, isn't it? You know, it's just some fucking character going on and on and on. Sometimes you appreciate what they're saying. Sometimes you respect what they're saying. But damn, if you're going to do what they're saying, that's oh, no, no. You know, every once in a while, something tweaks, right? And you go, ah, fuck, yeah. You know? Yeah. Like, oh, that's what excuses are. I didn't know that. I lived my life in excuses and justifications. Oh, that's fucked up. I see it clearly now. I'm not going to do that, except a little. You always got to have some room, right? That's my excuse. You know, whatever it is, right? See, they're always... But sometimes, some of them are actually trying to, you know, help you. They're actually trying to communicate something for you. It's like Stewart used to say, plants are so much easier to take care of or work with than people. It says when you water a plant, it just takes the water, but when you try to water a person, they put up an umbrella. You know, and then a lot of this, like, especially some of the stuff I've been coming up with lately, it's probably best communicated or delivered in the form of poetry or stories. But that doesn't go anywhere either, right? You know? You might appreciate a poem, but it stays on the page. So anyway, you know, you have to decide, seriously, you have to decide. It's your life. What I'm trying to get across to you, and maybe I've been successful to some degree, maybe not, but what I'm trying to get across to you is that you do have a choice. See? You decide, and it makes a difference what you decide. It makes a difference how you live your life. It makes a difference how you think. It makes a difference what you think. It makes a difference what you take on, what you don't take on, etc. You know, it makes a difference. There are always consequences. That's kind of how this stuff goes, yeah? See, so I'm just saying. Anyway, so one of the goals here was to support you and help you in learning how to learn, and how to investigate, and how to look into things, and how to get past yourself, and recognizing that you found so much on assumptions, you see, and you don't notice that, you don't know that. You're still doing it, by the way. Okay, just lots of assumptions. You know, and many of these assumptions are existential in nature, and what I mean by that is they're Kant kind of shit. And what I mean by that is it's totally impractical. Yet it makes a huge difference in your contemplations, you see, your consciousness, to get beyond assumptions. It's not going to put food on your plate. You can do that by yourself. You see what I'm saying? It's not what it does. It's just what's so. And then when you die happy. How's that? How's that? Is that practical enough for you?
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.